This is just going to be a super short guest house update. I know it's been a while, especially with this project. Haven't done anything since last autumn, and last time was a roof. I think I have a video of that somewhere if you want to check that out. But it's time to wrap this project up. Yeah, we got some of that fabric thing. Not sure what you call that. It's some kind of underlay for blocking wind, basically. It's also water resistant, and it apparently breathes. So if it gets moisture on the inside, it's going to breathe that moisture out. So I don't get any problems with moisture. This is the station where my wife is hard at work with painting the new facade. So we're going to go for this kind of Swedish barn style color. I could be wrong. I haven't looked it up. I'm guessing that 60 to 70% of all houses in Sweden are painted with that color. It's super common. And it's also very cheap. So we want to use it on the guest house, which I think is going to look fantastic. Got that wrap thing up, and we also started with small thin pieces of timber. So these are what we're going to nail the planks into. Oh, right. Also, this is probably the best tool I ever bought. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know that I tried building one myself. I would say this is a little bit better. Not by much, but a little bit. This thing is a beast, and it makes working so much more fun. I actually use it for the framing on the inside because I put in some extra studs just to support the new walls. So all these studs everywhere I put up using that nail gun, and it's so much fun to work with. So I'm really looking forward to getting started with putting the new facade up and putting in the windows and the door and everything, because then we can move on to insulation, get some electrical wires in there. What else? And then we can start with the interior. But there's a lot of work before that. So if you want to see some more videos from this guest house, go ahead and click over here. And if you want to see how I made my homemade nail gun, that is almost as good as the DeWalt one, you can check that out right here. And also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing right about here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.